In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Lemlist AI campaign generator. So first in the left panel, head over to campaigns and here click on create campaign. So here you'll be given two options on how you want to get started, either if you want to create manually or create with AI. So of course, we're going to pick create AI campaign. And here you'll basically be prompted to enter key details like your target audience, your offer, and the goal of your outreach. The more specific you are, the better the results. And once you've done all these steps, you should see a generate button, and all you have to do is click on that. And Lemlist's AI will then create a full sequence for you, including subject lines and follow up emails. So make sure that you review the generated campaign carefully, edit messaging, add personalization variables, and adjust timing between steps to fit your strategy. You can also insert images, videos, or tasks to enhance engagement. And when everything looks good, save and launch your campaign. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!